Welcome to Spirituality and Science channel. I am Raj Joshi. We are talking about the Bhagavad Gita, a research-based work where we are pinpointing the knowledge to exact verse and slokas from a modern science point of view as well. So today's topic is Bhagavad Gita is a book of nutrition. So one of the question comes, right? Does this book contain the type of food I should be eating? What type of food should I be eating? Is there any guide for that? Well, as always, the answer is yes. Exact detail of what type of food we should be eating is listed there. We're going to show you that. So basically the first sloka which comes in here is that Ahara tu api sarvasya trividha bhavati priya yagyah tapa tatha danam tesam bhedam imam shunu. This is the Bhagavad Gita sloka. What exactly it says that, the food person prefers is according to their dispositions. The same is true for the sacrifice, austerity, charity. Whatever you do is basically based on according to your dispositions. So then Krishna explains to, okay, if I'm telling you that the food you like is based on what your qualities are, then what type of foods are out there? So 3 types of food are there. So the 3 types of food are Sattvic, Rajas and Tamas. So, and here's the Bhagavad Gita slok there. So the first type of food, what it's simply saying is that Ayuha Sattva Bala Arogya Sukh Priti Vivardhana Rashya Snigdha Stirad Hadyaha Aharaha Satvik Priyaha. So what exactly that means? So the first type of food, it says, Krishna is simply saying that, look, it should be juicy, nourishing, succulent and naturally tasteful. If that type of food you're eating, then the benefit you're going to get is that promotes the lifespan and increases the virtue and the strength and the health and the happiness and satisfaction. And this is the type of food is called sattvic nature. And the person who eats this is in mode of goodness. So the next type of food, basically, which can be is called Katu Amla Lavan Ati Ushna Tikshana Ruksha Vidahina Ahara Rajasasya Ishtaha Dukh Sokh Amam Prada. So this type of food is what exactly that type of food is doing is that it's too bitter, too sour, salty, very hot, pungent, dry and chillful. So if you are eating that type of food, then these foods produce pain, grief and disease in you. And this type of food is called Rajas in nature or Rajas in nature. Rajasi, some people use word Rajasi, Rajas in nature. And the person is normally, if you eat this type of food, you are basically in the mode of passion, luxury, because you're looking for some passion and luxury from the food. So that's what it gives you. And the last type of food, which basically simply says, Yatiyamam gatrasam puti paryusitam chamrita uchchastam apicha medhyam bhojanam tamasam priyam. So this type of food, what exactly that does? Any food which is cooked 3 hours before eating, overcooked, stale and portrayed, polluted and impure food produces disease. And that type of food is tamasic in nature, tamas in nature. And the person who eats this type of food is always in the ignorant person. Now think about what is in our fridge, what is in our closets. All these, if you have a liquid cheese sitting in there, cheese does not have a nature to sit in liquid form. How many of preservatives have been put in there? If you're eating the canned tomato, canned potato, canned beans and all that, think about how many chemicals are there to preserve it for years. So what Gita is saying, no more than 3 hours. Stale food is not good for our health. So that was 3 types of food. Sattvic, Rajas, Tamas from Bhagavad Gita. Exact verses are there. We do very deep research based, exact pinpointing to the verses, because we have realized that a lot of information out there in the web which just floating around without any references. People don't know whether it is true or not. This is the one thing you can rely on this channel, that we're giving you exact verse references. We're doing a deep research on it for you. And we love to hear something back from you. If you have any feedback, certainly tune into our YouTube channel. And thanks for watching this video. And please subscribe to our channel.